already know by the title, in today's video is gonna be a huge Nykaa haul. So most of them are skincare and only few are makeup products. So let's get started with the video. So I have this huge box with me. As you guys can see, this huge box is full of products. So let's get started. So the first product is this cleansing balm from Plum. Let me open and show you. Have a applicator also. Look, this is how the product looks. So this helps to melt your makeup. So this is for removing your makeup. It's a balmy texture. As it claims, it melts your makeup easily, and you should definitely try this. This is my second tub. So the next product is this from Face Shop. It's Jiju Volcanic Lava Pore Scrub Foam Mousse. I've already used it twice actually, and it's really nice scrub. So this helps to exfoliate your pores. So the next one is also from the same range. It's Jiju Volcanic Lava, but it's a cleansing foam. So the next one is a clay mousse. It's from Innisfree actually, but the range is same. It's Jiju Volcanic Clay Mousse Mask, and the mask comes in the form of mousse. The next one is this Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. This is one of the highly rated serum. It's double squeezed green tea and green tea seed from the Jeju Island. So let me try and see what this does to my skin. So I also got this Jeju Cherry Blossom Trio Kit from Innisfree for free. So it has a toner. This is Jeju Cherry Blossom Skin Toner. And from the same range, we also have this lotion. And we also have this tone up cream. Sorry, I forgot to tell the prices. This balm is priced at $5.45, and both the scrub and the cleansing foam is priced at $6.90, and this Innisfree Clay Mousse Mask is priced at $1,350, and this green tea serum is $1,950. The next product is from Lineage. It's water sleeping mask. It's 25 ml and the price is $700. This is how the consistency looks. So this is also one of the highly rated water sleeping masks. The next one is this Lineage Cream Skin Refiner. It's actually a toner. Packaging is actually glass. This is priced at $1,850. So I also got a few stuff free from Lineage. First one is this Moist Cream Cleanser. The next one which I got is this Lineage Water Bank Eye Gel. And I also got this White Dew Skin Refiner and also this tone up cream. So the next one I got is this lip balm. It's Wadi Lip Balm. And this was priced at for only 50 rupees, and this was also highly rated. This is how the consistency looks. I've already used it, as you can see. This is in a strawberry flavor. So the next one is also a lip balm. It's from Khadi. This is the lip balm from Khadi. It's in the flavor wine grapefruit. And this was priced at $150. So that's it for the skincare. Now let's move on to the makeup. So the first one is the eyeshadow palette from Nykaa. It's called Daydreaming. This is how the shade looks. This actually has different tone of pinks. It's really nice palette for the beginners. And it's only priced at 600 rupees. So next one is a highlighter. It's a Strobe and Glow highlighter from Nykaa in the shade Glazed Bronze. This is how the packaging looks. It's actually glass packaged. And this was priced at 700. So the next one is a Prep Me Up face primer, also from Nykaa. Clear gel actually. It's really soft and smooth, and this was priced at 500 rupees. The next one is a setting powder from K Beauty in the shade Latte. So it's a HD setting loose powder. And this is really different from other setting powder. It is also like this so that the powder doesn't fall. This makes very easy to take the powder out, and it also doesn't fall. And this was priced at 800 rupees. Next one is a HD illuminating loose powder from K Beauty in the shade Classic Gold. So this also can be used as a highlighter. This also has the same packaging so the powder doesn't fall out. I also got a contour stick from K Beauty in the shade Caramel Focus. And this was priced at 600 rupees. And the next one is this Kohel Kajal from Sugar. It's in the shade Black Magic. The difference from the normal Kohel Kajal and the Black Magic Kohel Kajal is this has glitter. Next one is this Nykaa paint stick in the shade Wink Wink. It's a soft tone pink color. So this was priced at 425. And the next one is a lip crayon from K Beauty in the shade Fox Paws. It's a really nice brown shade. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.